Yung pinaka kino-consider mo na worst financial decision na nagawa mo sa buhay mo?
Getting into the buy now, pay later stuff. Nagsimula yon sa mga pa-aircon, pa-ref sa bahay, ganyan. So, until sa, nababayaran ko naman siya, and then, nawili ako. Even though I still don't have the money, I'm already buying the stuff na feeling ko kailangan ko, even though hindi naman.
Paano siya nakaapekto sa'yo?
So, nakaapekto siya kasi I had to stretch out my budget just to pay for those buy now, pay laters. So, even though wala talaga siya initially sa budget ko for the month, I really have to pay for it or else it will be penalized.
So anong advice mo sa mga young professionals na gusto makapag-provide sa family nila, no? At the same time, wala pa silang idea paano nila ma-handle yung finances nila.
Yes. It's really good that you have the heart to provide for your family and you really want to help out. However, also make sure that you yourself is secured enough to help out others. Sabi nga nila, paano tayo makakatulong sa iba kung tayo mismo wala? So make sure to have your emergency fund, do savings, and make sure na yung sarili mo is hindi mo rin nakakalimutan when it comes to finances.